With programs like UDON and a knowledge of programming, what kind of world can you make that's musical, interactive, encourages gameplay and exploration? Let's explore the world of a software engineer, Momo the Monster. Welcome to the World Hopping series where I talk about worlds I find in depth. I am Joey Boxworth's best traveler, studio photographer, cinematographer, 3D modeler, VTuber. Since the recording, Momo the Monster has uploaded 12 worlds of games, visuals, music, art, and tests for VRChat, working with UDON creating gimmicks and testing what the VR platform can do. Momo the Monster is a technical director, game developer, and a live visualist who creates concert visuals and interactive programs from games to mixed reality, and in this case, virtual reality. They love creating hands-on experiences and do so by designing and writing software. Outside of VRChat, he made a digital sculpture made from Beat Saber data made from a song, tested hand tracking on the Oculus Quest by tapping his surroundings creating small platforms, and made many more experiments for festivals, AI, Unity, and VR. Subscribe, click the bell, do not miss the uploads because sometimes that world may not be available after you watch the video. He started building worlds for VRChat at the end of 2019, starting with a world where you can play your OPZ to the stars. It is either a private world or it has been deleted, so this is the only evidence of the world. Then he experimented with a virtual leaf blower, UDON Air Blaster, where you blow some shapes around with an air blaster that has UDON programming system. Contained in a small island, the items will not fall off the map, nor can you. It's cross-platform and a good test for a game. Then made simple triangle mesh manipulation in real time for shared creation in VRChat. This world is also not found to the public, probably because it's a test world for the creator only. Starting with Chill Out Video Forest, this world is set up to watch chill audiovisual stuff from streaming services. You can add video URLs where the video will play on the 3 screens and the skybox along with a mirror placed in an open forest. It's ideal for isolation, meditation, or taking a breather. If you turn on a fan in your room, you can immerse more with the grass and leaves moving. This next one is called Disconnected, a trippy video feedback world featuring the song Disconnected by Sro, with the following global camera and local camera displayed on 18 screens, props, toggleable sky, and floor textures. You can set up endlessly repeating fractal madness. Everything is Mushrooms is where humans cultivated mushrooms instead of grains and animals and built a world where everything is mushrooms. A chill turn-based strategy game for up to 5 players with total of 15 turns. Each turn you choose a square to grow a new mushroom or click on your existing mushrooms to make it bigger with 50% chance to spread the mushroom to nearby squares or click on someone else's mushroom to do 1 damage. Placed in a dark forest, it's also cross-platform.
I see you over here.
Yeah? I'm glad your eyes are working.
I'm gonna fight you.
Come on, I'm just a fun guy.
Oh man, I was so close.
Oh, I lost by 1.
Another cross-platform world made for the Joke Jam is Hungry Birds. Ever want to feed the birds in VR? Well, now you can feed candy to all kinds of flying animals. Yeah, surrounded by boats, lifesavers, and a lighthouse and a building plotted on the island. Visit here for quick and quirky fun.
It looks like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah, with the big eyes. That used to be their mascot. I don't know if it still is.
They still do it.
Yeah?
Oh,
They-
mine's
I don't think they can
God.
eat anymore because this is as big as they could probably get. Yeah. They started off really small, by the way.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to jump on top of the turtle. I need them all to stand still.
He rotates. Ah! If you want no distractions, you can visit the meditation stream, an early work in progress of musical meditation world, with floating cubes surrounded by pillars in a low-lit environment. Pretty cool if you have glow effects on your avatars. When you click the trigger button on your controls, an effect with sound appears. I had way too much fun with this. Momo's AI art is playing with ways to display AI footage with depth maps. This world is a gallery of artwork they've generated with the help of some machine learning processes. With changeable strength, you can observe their art pieces, which the effect seems similar to Facebook 3D photos. Music Loops plus Drawing Loops is an artistic world where you can draw along with the music and your drawing plays in a loop. With a timer displayed, you can plan ahead your artwork animation with 4 stylus pens. You know, I feel like a teacher. Just being like, look at me, just so proud of my students, just drawing. Right? Bro, DJ's just like outshining everybody over there.
Oh, I just want to do this. It creates 2.
So, funnily enough, you want to know what this is, Jewel?
What is it?
It's literally just me making a music profile. All this is those highs and lows, except how I feel in a weird way.
Oh,
It's like, it makes sense. I won't be able to replicate it, but it makes sense.
yeah, no, yeah.
This is Along with music, do you ever want to be in a music video? There are a lot of MMD worlds, but nothing like Office music video, where it takes place in an office with less than 10 megs behind a receptionist's desk. There's a start button on the computer screen where, if on desktop, your visual gets taken over by pre-made camera movements of this world. It's used as Cinemachine and Timeline to animate cameras around you to the music. If you're interested in how all this is put together, there's a video link above where Momo breaks it all down. Now, what if there's a world you can exercise in? In Rowing Exercise World, this world uses gaze for interaction, for it's designed to work when using an actual rowing machine. You could also rock back and forth sitting or standing up. This world provides 2 visuals by Technobabble and Rocktopus. Give this world a try for some exercise in VR. Townscape Speedrun is a very simple obstacle course made from a Townscaper mesh. With a map at the start and placed on your HUD along with a timer, run through this outlet castle where you collect crystals and avoid the rings, jumping on floors, avoid falling, and get the best time out of your friends in VR. There is a stream toggle where a camera follows you throughout the map so you don't have to set it up. UDON Vignette is a simple dynamic vignette test where it takes place in an obstacle course, where the more speed or impact you make, the more vignette will show up on your view. And these are all the experimental worlds of Momo the Monster. Does his work inspire you to make your own worlds? Check the description for links or assets to get you started. You can check out his upload worlds by going to their profile, find them on their social media, or join their Discord to stay on the loop and support their work. You can also follow other traveler streamer photographers, cinematographer, 3D modeler, VTuber like myself, as they too share their world finds. If there's any worlds you want me to check out and maybe showcase it in a video, leave it in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more content like this. I am Jewelry Box, that is all. How do I run? Do I jump?